What you doing under there? What you doing under there?
Pretty good shot. Now look where the arrow is again. Where's the arrow? Look where it is. You got to hit right to the pin. Yep, hit it.
What are you doing?
Good shot. A little bit harder. That was There you go. Oh, close. Now you're close again. Be careful. Very close. Easy.
You gonna try to climb up there?
Easy. There you go. Good shot.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Trying to climb up on the chair?
Now, are you pitching or hitting? Hitting?
I
Okay.
see you trying to climb up.
So you gotta wait for the
You trying to be a big girl, huh? You trying to be a big girl?
Already.
Oh, you get ready to poops again.
Because you want to play a game, that's why.
So, whee! Whee!
Found another out. Good play, Ron. Too close to the television.
Sorry, I just
No need to be that close to the television.
I'm sorry, I just had to get that.
But don't get close because you're going to end up hitting that television or breaking it.
Okay. I'll go first.
Yeah, look. If you get too close again, I'm going to stop playing. I told you, no need to be on.
Hi, Uncle Ray. Hi, Aunt Judy.
How are you?
Hi, I love you.
Love you.
I love you. Bye. Hi, Aunt Judy. Hi, Uncle Ray. Let me hear it.
You want to hear it?
Yes.
Say, hi, Aunt Judy. Hi, Uncle Ed. Tell Bella.
Hi, Aunt Judy. Hi, Uncle Ray. Hi, Aunt Judy. Hi, Uncle Ray.
Give him a kiss.
Wait a minute. I want to see that picture. I Uncle Ray. I Uncle Jerry. I love you. Bye.
Uncle Jenny. Uncle Jenny.
Look, she's doing it too. Look.
Supposed to be hi, Uncle
Give
Ed. Hi,
kisses.
Aunt Judy.
Bella.
You say hi, Uncle Ed. Hi, Uncle Judy. Hi, Uncle Jenny.
That's really cool.
Bella. She's going. You see her? Now watch Reagan bowl.
Watch Reagan bowl. Why is it not working? There it goes. Watch Reagan bowl. Come on. There you go.
Oh, just.
Hey, let's hear that. Hey, let's hear it, okay?
Look at he got one pin left.
Hey, let's go. Okay, you ready?
Oh, missed it again.
Oh no, this is a hard one.
Woo, close.
Hey, I did another one. Did I do another one? Watch this.
Bella.
Uncle Jerry.
Give kisses.
Uncle Benny. Uncle Jerry.
Give kisses. What do you want to get up here? Hmm?
Come on, man. Come on. Why is this not working? Whoa, that's so close. Maybe I can do that way.
Play your song.
Watch it, Bella's behind you.
Come on, get out of the way, Bella.
Okay.
Come on, let's dance. Come on.
Right
Play the music.
Okay. Okay. I want to hear it. I want to hear that. Graham?
Come on, dance. Bella. Dance. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'll get you. Hey.
Hello, Uncle Bay. Mommy.
Say hi.